Shopify and WooCommerce are the two most widely used e-commerce platforms in 2026, but they work completely differently. Shopify is a fully hosted all-in-one solution. WooCommerce is a free WordPress plugin that gives you complete control but requires more technical setup. In this video, I'll break down the key differences so you can choose the right one for your store. Shopify is an all-in-one hosted e-commerce platform. You pay a monthly subscription, and Shopify handles everything: hosting, security, updates, and payment processing. You focus on your products and your store. It requires zero technical skills to get started and includes 24/7 customer support on every plan. WooCommerce is a free open-source plugin for WordPress. The plugin itself costs nothing, but you need to set up WordPress hosting separately, manage your own security, updates, and backups, and connect a payment processor yourself. WooCommerce gives you complete control over your store and your data. It's used by businesses that need deep customization and are comfortable managing their own technical infrastructure. On pricing, the numbers look different depending on how you calculate them. Shopify's basic plan starts at $29 a month billed annually, or $39 a month on monthly billing. The Grow plan is $79 annually, or $105 monthly. Advanced is $299 annually, or $399 monthly. All plans include hosting, security, and 24/7 support. If you use a third-party payment processor instead of Shopify Payments, transaction fees apply. WooCommerce's plugin is free, but your total cost includes WordPress hosting, typically $5 to $50 a month depending on your provider, plus a domain and any paid plugins or themes you add. For a basic store, WooCommerce's first-year cost can be significantly lower than Shopify. As you add plugins, that gap narrows. The three differences that matter most. First, technical requirements. Shopify requires no technical skills. WooCommerce requires basic to intermediate technical knowledge. You'll manage hosting, security, and plugin compatibility yourself. Second, customization. WooCommerce gives you complete control over every aspect of your store. Thousands of free plugins, unlimited theme customization, and full access to your code. Shopify is more limited in customization without coding but is significantly easier to manage. Third, cost at scale. Shopify's monthly fees add up over time. WooCommerce's ongoing costs are lower once set up, but you're responsible for performance, security, and uptime. If something breaks, you fix it. Shopify makes the most sense for businesses that want to launch quickly without technical complexity. Beginners, dropshippers, print-on-demand sellers, and retail businesses that need POS integration. If you want everything managed for you and you're willing to pay a monthly subscription for that convenience, Shopify is purpose-built for that. WooCommerce makes the most sense for businesses that already have a WordPress site, need deep customization, want to minimize long-term platform costs, or have content marketing as a core part of their strategy. WordPress is the strongest blogging and SEO platform available. Pairing it with WooCommerce gives you both. The simplest way to decide: if you want simplicity and speed, Shopify; if you want control and lower long-term costs and you're comfortable with the technical side, WooCommerce. Shopify's trial is available for $1 a month for the first 3 months. Link is in the description. WooCommerce is free to download at wordpress.org. I've also put together a full side-by-side comparison on the WealthForge tools site with detailed pricing and feature breakdowns. Links below. If you found this useful, a like helps more people find it. Subscribe for more tool breakdowns. See you in the next one.